Alright guys, the handyman here, and today we have a stove where the element or the bro element is not turning on. So when I had this plugged up, the oven thermostat was sounding like it was responding. It was beeping when you press the buttons. Seems like it was initiating, but it just wasn't heating up either one. So the oven on the older models, the it's automatically the oven thermostat. So we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy off. You gotta take each of these wires out. Whoa. I don't know what happened there, but anyways, went ahead and took all those wires out. Next step is to take these 4 screws out, one in each corner. Once we get this, try to put a hand behind there, catch it. Anyways, this is a part from Electrolux, but it's for a Frigidaire stove. Hey, kitty cat, he decided to join the party. But anyways, get the new part in. As you notice, that it's kind of different. These newer parts are coming in with new modifications, but slight ones. Anyways, these you have to order separate when you order it from the manufacturer. It's 2 separate parts. They do not come together. The oven thermostat does not come with this the part that you stick on with the labels on top of the buttons. Anyways, memorize where the wires are. I always suggest when you're doing electric work to take pictures of the wires so you know exactly how to plug them back in. And then final step is plugging it back up and testing it out. And as you see, oven element is hot cherry red. The bro is working as well. There we are. Oven and broil working. And that's how you fix a old Frigidaire stove, oven, and broil element, and replacing the oven thermostat. That's it. My job's done. The handyman out.